Francis Schaeffer once remarked that he loved the Christian system as a system. This is an experience that I think too few Christians have had. There is a kind of intellectual joy or rest in the Christian worldview, in understanding its picture of reality, how it makes sense of the world, of God, creation, man, moral values, our destiny, the meaning of life. And so loving God with all one's mind, I think, is kind of delighting in this intellectual satisfaction or pleasure that comes from contemplating God's truth.